Hello everyone, I'm Rohit. I, on behalf of Sierra Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. And today the chapter that I will be covering is from Class 4 NCERT board, subject is mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as A Trip to Bhopal. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as homework. The main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students experience the concepts with a direct environment by involving the parents through a given set of questions. And when we make the students revise the concepts that have been taught in the lesson through different kinds of hands-on experience and activities, then it increases the retention time of the concepts that have been taught. The duration for this activity will be as by requirement, and some of the important concepts that we will be revising with the help of this innovation are estimating the distance, length and distance, and also the duration of familiar events. We need to make sure that we have already completed the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. Right? We instruct the students in the following manner. We ask the students to go to a nearby park, wake up in the early morning and go to a nearby park and observe the paths that are there inside the park. We also notify the parents about the homework and we ask them to accompany the students in the morning walk. Once they reach the park and have observed the paths thoroughly, we ask them to make the following guesses. First of all, how far is the park from the home? How much time did it took to reach the park from home? Are there any other familiar places near to that home which is at the same distance from the, like just like the park, at the same distance as that of the park? Any other places that are the same distance as that of the park? Next, what is the length and width of the paths that are there inside the park? We ask them to make the guesses, and they will, once they make all the guesses, we also instruct them that they can also find out the length and width of the paths inside the park by counting the number of steps, with the help of the number of steps. Then we ask them to write down all the observations in a chart in the following manner. First, in the first column it will be written the paths. In the second column it will be written length of the path, guessed length of the path, that is the estimated length. Next, length of the path as per the number of footsteps. Next, the width of the path as per estimation or as per guess. And the fourth column they will write the width of the path as per number of steps. We ask them to make all observations and write it in the table. And the next day they will be sharing all the observations with their fellow mates. We inform the students that in this manner we can find out the length and breadth of any familiar events, any other places if we want to. And also we can also find out the measurement. We can also measure the lengths and breadths with the help of the number of steps. And when the students start revising the concepts in this manner, they get a lot of learning outcomes. First of all, they will be revising, they'll be learning how to estimate the length and distance either by estimation or by with the help of the number of steps. Along with this, they will also learn how to estimate the duration of familiar events. Next, they will be developing the critical thinking and the decision making process. And fourthly, when the students will be interacting with the parents, solving the questions that have been asked to them, it will help in the development of interpersonal skills among the students. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI.